In a Zoom meeting, you also have a tool called Polls and Quizzes available for you to use, where you can ask your participants questions and collect answers. To use this tool during a meeting, on your Zoom toolbar, click on More, and then click on Polls and Quizzes. Currently for this meeting, I don't have any polls or quizzes set up, so let's create one. I'll be asked for a poll title, so I could call this Animal Preferences, for example. Then I'm going to be asked for my questions. Before I even broach the question, I have different question types that I can use. First being single choice, then multiple choice, matching, rank order, short answer, long answer, or fill in the blank, or rating scale. For the sake of this demonstration, we'll keep it simple and keep it listed as single choice. Here, I'm going to ask, do you like dogs? Which is a yes or no question. So yes, no. Actually, let's add another choice. Let's add sometimes. As you scroll down for the questions, you can make it required, so your participants have to answer them, show it as a drop-down, or create a breakout room based on the answers. For now, I'll just make this question required, and I'll add another one. Do you like cats? And I will do the same thing and make this a yes or no question. I'm going to save this, and Zoom's going to prompt me and ask me where do I want to save my questions. If I hit save as a meeting poll, these questions will only be saved within this Zoom meeting, versus if I hit save to library, this will make my questions available for me to use later, and I can recycle my questions. For now, I'm going to hit save as meeting poll. And it's going to take a few seconds. Then I can see my poll is created, called Animal Preferences. When I hit launch, this is going to present a screen to all of my Zoom participants asking me the questions in my polls. For example, do you like dogs? If Harry, for example, who is on this meeting, answers yes. And for do you like cats? If Harry answers no and submits that poll, you can see those answers come in at live time. So now I'm going to end the poll, and I can either relaunch it, which will overwrite the results, or I can download the results, which will take me to a CSV file. Let's minimize that. Or I can view the results from the browser. I can also share my results. When I click on share, it gives my participants a view of the answers that all of the participants have answered. For example, like what you're seeing now. And then if you hit stop sharing, those answers will stop being shared with the rest of your participants. Let's click on back. You can see that poll ended, so I no longer have the ability to delete the poll, but I can always relaunch it. If you relaunch the poll, whatever new answers that come in will overwrite the previous old answers. It's helpful to have a co-host to help you manage your polls if you are leading a Zoom meeting. Your alt host can also manage your polls given that you give them permission when you have scheduled the meeting. And that's how you can create your polls.